Which of the following statements is correct about the inside of the figure? Remember this inside, because if you take this outside part, then it's altogether a different theory. So only inside we have to check. So first is, the figure has three angles which are greater than the right angle. We want basically obtuse angle, reflex angle, and straight angle and full angle. All these four we wanted. See here, these are the angles which are greater than 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All four are to be checked for the inside of the figure. Check this, I have marked it with red. 1, this 2 over here, this angle, this is the reflex angle. 3, this 4 over here, 5 over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So are there three angles? No, that is wrong. The figure has four right angles. So do you see any right angle over here from inside? No, so that is wrong. The figure has four acute angles. Acute angles means less than 90. I have marked this with black. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is right. The figure has sides more than 6 multiple of 2 means 12. 6 multiple of 2 is 12. Just count the number of sides. They are not greater than 12. So